Hello everybody, welcome back to another episode of TAMCO Product Premiere. My name is Anthony Moorhead, the Sales Director here at the TAMCO Group, and this week we're joined by Shauna Picard, one of our product specialists within the team. And today we want to talk to you about emergency products.
Thank you, Anthony, for having me today. We just have a few simple rules to go over that will make understanding this range very simple.
So what we have here is a whole array of products that we offer within the Tamlite range. With every range, you're going to see an emergency light, sometimes called a bug eye within the industry. You can also see our exit signs, which again go above doorways and help you see which way to go throughout an emergency exit route. And we've also got a combo. This is where you take the exit sign and you basically just add the emergency lights to the fixture. So again, depending on the application, depends on what fixture you need where in the building. So we've also got two different tones of white. So towards Shauna, you can see our traditional finish. That's what we call our eggshell white. Whereas here on the L series, you're going to see our pearl white.
Yes, and the other difference is that the L series has the round heads, and then the E series is the square, and then you've got the contractor series with the micro round heads.
Yeah. So even though it's just an emergency line, we really try and give you every option to meet every customer's needs. So Shauna, could you talk us through what options we carry in the exits and combos?
Yeah, absolutely. Basically, you've got the green and the red letters, depends on the local codes in your area. You can do black or white housing. It just depends on the aesthetics of the building that you're putting them in. A lot of restaurants have black ones to match the ceiling when they have all black ceilings.
Oh, awesome. And I know a lot of questions that we get asked is, do I need a single face or a double face exit sign? And what's really cool about our products is that they all come standard as a single face, but we actually give you the additional faceplate in the box. So it's just as simple as snapping off the back plate and installing your second face, and that will give you a double faced exit combo. Another thing we get asked about as well is the chevrons. So let's say on your exit sign, you need to point that the customer needs to go left or right in an emergency situation. Well, with our plastic faceplates, all you do is you just pop the chevron out when you're installing it, or with some of our more higher end fixtures, they're just stickers. So what you do is you just peel off the side that you don't need and job done. It's really simple. So what if our customers want a more high-end look to their emergency products?
Well, one of the first options we have is the EXD. It's got 42 different color applications, or options I should say. So you can get the aluminum face, and then you can do a black body, or you can do white. I mean, there's just so many different options that you can do. These are really for the modern industrial type of places. And then we also have the Edgelit series, EXEs or the EXRs. The EXR is the recessed unit. You can get different color backgrounds, white, black, or clear. Clear only comes with a single face. And then also the Edgelit, which is a very popular one. It's top, back, or side mount, and it has all the same options as well.
Yeah, you mentioned a great point, because the clear can only come in single face, because if you try and write exit on both sides, you're just going to end up seeing the text back to back on each other, so you're not going to be able to read the exit itself. So that's a fun fact that comes up all the times on the
Oh yeah, we get a lot of questions on that.
So Shauna, a lot of these products get specified on job packages. So what are some of the upgrades that architects ask for?
There's remote capable, which means you can run some of our remote capable emergency lights off of that fixture. It can be an exit sign or an emergency light with the remote capable. And then there's also self-diagnostic, which means it's a self-testing fixture, so that you don't have to go up there every, 3 months, I believe, to make sure it still works. And then we also have cold weather location type of fixtures where it's just cold weather where you can add a heater inside of it. And we also have AC only, which just means that you wouldn't have a battery in the fixture.
Okay, so we've discussed our indoor fixtures, but what about if I need something for either a wet location or an outdoor application?
So we have the MSR LED, which is our outdoor emergency light. It's got polycarbonate covering on it to protect it from all the elements out there. And then we also have the LXWT, which is a really clean, sleek looking outdoor exit sign. And that also has the polycarbonate to protect it.
Perfect. And so a question that we get asked a lot again is, will these fixtures last 90 minutes in an emergency situation? And the answer is yes. According to UL standards, all of our fixtures have to last that 90 minutes in emergency mode.
Mm-hmm. We also get a lot of questions for emergency lights or exit signs to last longer than 90 minutes. So in order to have that happen is if you get the remote capable fixture and you don't run any remote heads on it, it'll last 180 minutes.
Perfect. Well, that's all we've got time for today. Thanks for stopping by. Make sure you hit the like button and the subscribe button. And if you need any more information on any of the products that you've seen here today, go to tamliteusa.com. Thank you very much.